Hi, this is Amanda from Amanda's Garden Consulting and the garden website, and I'm here to show you how to disinfect your tools. So I like to use a sprayer, and I mix in usually half 50-50 of water and either Lysol or disinfecting Pine Sol, and then as I finish one plant and go to another, I just disinfect my pruners like that with a spray. And I like it in the sprayer. It's just more convenient. You can keep it in your bucket. And then I get good old vegetable oil, Pam, and spray it to keep it lubricated and move it around a bit. And then again wipe it. And you're all set. Clean, all done. Okay, so if you like this video, please press a like and visit all my other videos at my website, the garden website. And if you need my personal help, contact me at Amanda's Garden Consulting Company. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.